Welcome to Talk in English YouTube channel. What do you want for breakfast?
I want some eggs and toast.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finish it every day.
Do you like the new school?
Yes, I like it very much.
Where do you keep your school bag?
I keep it near the door.
Do you help in the house?
Yes, I clean my room.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth properly?
Yes, I brush twice a day.
Do you watch TV after school?
Sometimes, but I study first.
What is your favorite subject?
I like science the most.
Do you play outside?
Yes, I play football with friends.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like apples and bananas.
Do you drink milk every day?
Yes, I drink milk in the morning.
Do you help your father in the garden?
Yes, I water the plants.
What do you wear to school?
I wear my uniform.
Do you listen to your teacher?
Yes, I always listen carefully.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and then play.
Do you keep your books clean?
Yes, I keep them in my bag.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat carrots and spinach.
Do you like your school friends?
Yes, they are very nice.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus.
Do you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, always.
What do you do on weekends?
I visit grandparents.
Do you help set the dinner table?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, they are very kind.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, I sleep at 9 p.m.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read storybooks.
Do you clean your shoes?
Yes, I clean them every week.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I love playing in rain.
Do you keep your room tidy?
Yes, I clean it every day.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch them in the morning.
What do you do in the evening?
I play with my friends.
Do you say please and thank you?
Yes, I always do.
Do you help me in the kitchen?
Sometimes I help you.
What do you want for dinner?
I want some chicken.
Do you go to bed on time?
Yes, I do.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I draw pictures.
Do you like school trips?
Yes, I love them.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to songs.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Do you take your medicine?
Yes, when I feel sick.
Do you wear your shoes properly?
Yes, always.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like it very much.
Do you go to bed without dinner?
No, I eat before sleep.
Do you wash your face in the morning?
Yes, I do every day.
Do you talk to your friends?
Yes, at school and home.
Do you brush your hair?
Yes, I brush it every morning.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes after homework.
Do you keep your toys clean?
Yes, I clean them.
What do you do on holidays?
I play and rest.
Do you say sorry when you do wrong?
Yes, I say sorry.
Do you help your sister?
Yes, I help her.
Do you wear your school shoes?
Yes, I wear them every day.
Do you like your school uniform?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat sweets?
Sometimes not too much.
Do you help clean the dining table?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite game?
I like cricket.
Do you listen to my advice?
Yes, I do.
Do you keep your pencil box clean?
Yes, always.
Do you go outside when it rains?
Sometimes with an umbrella.
Do you do your homework?
Yes, every day.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, very much.
Do you like animals?
Yes, especially dogs.
Do you wear a cap in the sun?
Yes, I do.
Do you listen to bedtime stories?
Yes, every night.
Do you like going to the market?
Sometimes with you.
Do you clean your school desk?
Yes, I clean it.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing songs.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I dance a little.
Do you wash your clothes?
No, you do it.
Do you like your school lunch?
Yes, mostly.
Do you carry a water bottle?
Yes, I carry one.
Do you like going to the library?
Yes, I like books.
Do you drink juice?
Yes, I like mango juice.
Do you wear your watch?
Yes, I wear it daily.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Do you wash your hands after playing?
Yes, always.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you help me cook?
Sometimes I stir the pot.
Do you like your bedroom?
Yes, it is nice.
Do you like to read comics?
Yes, very much.
Do you go to bed on time?
Yes, I try.
Do you play with your cousins?
Yes, when they visit.
Do you like school holidays?
Yes, I love holidays.
Do you say good morning?
Yes, to you and Dad.
Do you like your school bag?
Yes, it is blue.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like summer vacation?
Yes, very much.
Do you listen to your elders?
Yes, always.
Do you like your school meals?
Yes, mostly.
Do you keep your shoes outside?
Yes, I do.
Do you help clean the house?
Sometimes I help.
Do you wear clean clothes every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you like your friends?
Yes, very much.
Do you brush your teeth after dinner?
Yes, I brush my teeth after dinner.
Do you like to eat sweets?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like your school teacher?
Yes, she is nice.
Do you take rest after school?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you love me?
Yes, I love you very much.